Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the line with equation 4/5 x plus 1/3 y is equal to 1 is graphed in the xy plane. We're asked what is the x-coordinate of the x-intercept of the line. So if we just have some line right here, it doesn't have to be accurate, let's just say it's right here. What is the x-intercept? Well, it's where the line intercepts the x-axis, and it's going to be a point where you have some value a, and then the y value, since it's on the x-axis, is 0. So we're looking for what is the value of x when y is equal to 0. So we plug in 0 for y into the equation, we're going to get our value of x. So we have 4/5 x plus 1/3 y is equal to 1. We're looking for when y is equal to 0, so we have 4/5 x plus 1/3 times 0 is equal to 1. 4/5 x plus 1/3 times 0 is 0 is equal to 1. 4/5 x plus 0 is just 4/5 x, right? Adding 0 doesn't do anything. And then if we want to get x on its own, we can multiply both sides by 5. These cancel, and we just have 4x is equal to 1 times 5, which is 5. If we divide both sides by not 5, but by 4, my mistake, divide both sides by 4, these cancel, we have x is equal to 5 over 4. So this is the x-intercept of the line because it's the value of x when y is equal to 0, and your final answer is going to be 5/4. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.